Today we have a very unique Ford Fiesta. Probably just looks like a standard ST3. However, this is a 101 Ford Fiesta. Basically, story is in 2016, Ford Fiesta brought out a M Sport model. Basically, only 20 was made. It was to basically to do with the rally heritage. So only 20 was made. However, it was only in white and blue. This is a one-owner car. This particular gentleman liked the Ford Fiesta M Sport 2016 model, but he wanted it in red. He couldn't have it in a red, so what he did, he purchased a red ST3. So this is based on a Ford Fiesta ST3. However, with all the backing and the receipts we've got, he wanted the M Sport in red. What he decided to do is to buy an ST3 in a red, and then get all the M Sport features fitted to this particular car, including the Mountune upgrade to 230 brake horsepower. And he even named the car what he wanted to name the car, which if you come round, he named it the STZ230. Now on the, obviously the V5, it is a standard ST3. That is just obviously what he decided to call the car. He even got the STZ230 stitched into the seats. So realistically, it's a one-on-one car. There isn't another car basically like this. So we'll go around the car. Obviously, it's in red, a lovely gleaming red. Like I said, it is a one-owner car. He went with these 5252 Turbomac alloy wheels, which are absolutely a brilliant. You'll obviously see that it is lowered because it's got the M Sport lowering kits on. Like I said, the car is upgraded to a 230 brake horsepower from a Mountune Racing. Rear spoiler, which has that lovely curve on the top. That's not a standard ST3 one. You even got the rear camera AA fitted, which was only available in the Fiesta Titanium, but he wanted it on this car. He really went to town. Everything, all the extras that you can imagine on luxury and the performance side. We've got the carbon wind mirrors, but we are going to change them back to standard black. Doesn't come with the registration plate. It's a 16 plate. We have now got the V5 back, so we will change that. It's been serviced from Ford. It's got 5 main dealer service stamps. You'll also obviously probably find that if you look deep into it, this is actually an imported car. Yes and no, because when this gentleman ordered this car, he was living in Singapore. So he ordered it in this country and then shipped it to Singapore. So the first it was registered in Singapore for about 3 years, and then when he moved back to this country, he shipped it back over. He spent a lot of money on this car, a hell of a lot. So it is a one-owner car. Why don't we have all that documentation to prove that? Coming on the inside, I drove this back from the lakes. Lovely drive, lovely noise. Nice and quick when you need it to be quick, but also drove on the road really well. Car's just done over 48,000 miles. Six speed, heated seats, and these Recaros, yeah, I mean it's done 48,000 miles, so there is a little bit of slight wear and tear on the seats, especially the A drivers, but these are lovely and snug. And yeah, there's a few little age-related marks on the A body as well. He even fitted these, which is your lumbar support, which you wanted lumbar support. That's on both seats. Obviously got all the toys you need, including sat nav. It's keyless. Have a look at the back seat. Don't think they've been sat in, to be fair. All the headlining's all good and stuff. It is a really unique car. Goes round corners like glue as well. Oh yeah, he even fitted a automatic boot. No button, you have to obviously put it down, but all you have to do is press it and it comes up itself. Space saver. This side, obviously got the STZ230 badging on the side there as well. Again, passenger seats are not that worn at all. There you go. What else can I say with it, really? A one-on-one car. Surely to go up in value over the years to come. Still very low mileage, good services, history, phone stuff. Lovely car, now available down at Bedmars Motors. Come and have a look. Thank you.